behind me. Sniper dragging the first of those deadweight dummies across the finish line. This looks a very good time, by the way. It's not going to beat Kazakhstan C, but it should still comfortably be under the 2-minute mark that they achieved last year. 3 more assaulters make the run for home, and they cross the line in 1:48.1 for SWAT Team 2 of the Rwandan National Police Force.